Want to turn your video to a high-quality video like this? So in this video, I will show you guys how to turn your video to a crispy high-quality video, like 4K. The software I'm using is called VideoSolo Video Converter Ultimate. This software has so many cool features, especially it supports upscaling any video to 4K and up to 8K Ultra HD, etc. So first, if you don't have VideoSolo Video Converter Ultimate, just get the download link in the description section and run it right now. Now click the Add Files to pick the video that you want to upscale to 4K. It supports batch conversion, so if you want to upscale lots of videos in a folder at once, just select the folder option. Then move up to the upper right corner to get the Format menu. Here there are several resolution options for you to choose from. Or you can customize a resolution you want. Just click this gear icon to open the Profile Settings windows. Here you can select the resolution, bit rate, and frame rate you need. Then click Create New. Here is the new resolution you customized just now. But if you just want to turn your video to 4K video, now just select 4K video to continue. Eventually, hit the Convert All icon to upscale your video to high-quality video format, 4K. A few moments later, you're done. Now switch to the Converted section and easily access the upscaled video. Now let's enjoy it. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.